So I got the end table or nightstand from the VASAGLE MAEZO Collection. Now in this video, I'm going to go over some of the top questions I was seeing for this, answer them for you, and hopefully help you out with your purchase. The questions that I was seeing were, what was the assembly time like? Second question I was seeing is, how big is the charging station that's built into it in terms of like plugins? And the third question I was seeing were the dimensions for these shelves and then this drawer in here. So I'm going to answer all those for you, and like I said, hopefully help you out. But for that first question, the assembly time, I had the whole thing assembled in about 45 minutes. I did it by myself. They gave me all the tools that I needed to do it. If you have somebody helping you, I bet you can get this thing assembled in under 30 minutes. So it's pretty simple to do. And now for that second question, how big is the charging station? So it's located in the back, which I do like because then you can put the cords behind it so they don't stick out, or if it's on top, you always have all these like plug-in things that looks kind of ugly. That's usually how the ones that I demo them look like. So I do like that it's kind of hidden away in the back. And as for how big it is, you get 2 full outlets and then 2 USB ports that are in there. So you should be able to plug in your lamp, cell phone charger, iPad charger, anything like that. Now for the final question, how big are these shelves? So it's going to be 5 inches by 10 inch or 5 inches by 10 inches. And here I measured down here, it's 11 inches by 10 inches. So they are pretty big. You can get your, magazines in there, books, whatever you want to do. So 5 inches by 10 inches, 11 inches by 10 inches. But overall, it's exactly what I needed. I actually have a coffee table that's part of the collection, so everything's matching in my living room. And this stuff is affordable, but looks great. It's exactly what I needed. I didn't need anything expensive, just something that looked good. Got the job done, and this does that 100%. So I am super happy with this. Give it 2 thumbs up.